Amigos, thank you so much for your love and support this past year. We saw tremendous growth in our channel, and it's always with your positive comments, your encouragement, and your support that we can continue to make tutorials and videos for you. I've been working at the NFL Network the past several years, and I decided to share with you some of the work that I've done this past season. Now, my hope is that this work will give you ideas, it'll inspire you, and I plan on making tutorials based on some of this work. So if any of these videos spark any interest, just drop a note in the comments section. The work that I do at the NFL is a blend of video editing, motion graphics, and visual effects. Is using these three disciplines interwoven to create one entertaining piece. I truly hope you enjoy this video. We wish you the best in 2020. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a like, and drop a comment if you like. And remember that life is always a gift. Make it count. Several of these videos contain commercial music that the NFL licensed, and to avoid any issues with YouTube, I'm going to drop the track and give you a commentary instead. This is a Super Bowl live open that I created earlier this year, and I used a lot of different plugins. We have Trapcode Mirror for the floor. That streak and that particle was done with Trapcode Particular. That trophy right there, I use Element 3D. And you can see that I was moving the camera a lot in 3D space. That was one of the things that I wanted to do, was just move the camera from one spot to the other spot and finally get to this point where you can see the video. And the idea, the inspiration was using geometric shapes, because that was a theme for the Super Bowl. Geometric shapes, prisms, so I just ran with that theme. The next two videos are part of the Make Way for the King series, and it's transforming these superstars into superheroes using RTFX. Here is Cyborg arm for Patrick Mahomes. That was done in Element 3D. I had to manually track it. It also involves some rotoscoping. And you're gonna see a cyborg eye right there. That cyborg eye, the red laser beam, that was done using a spotlight and using Trapcode Lux. Gustavo, our illustrator, he drew that eye for me. I tracked it, did some rotoscoping so it fits inside the helmet. Lots of RTFX to enhance the video. Next, we have Aaron Donald, and the inspiration here was Dragon Ball Z. That Make Way for the King sign, that was tracked with Mocha. And here is a transformation. The text was done in Element 3D. The illustration was actually drawn by Gustavo. I used RTFX to make that transformation into a Super Saiyan. Now, you can see lots of RTFX. I also used VideoCopilot Saber right there for the football. That was done with Saber. Now, when you're using a lot of RTFX, that involves tracking, that involves rotoscoping, so you can place the different layers of RTFX between each other and between the different players. Next, we have street art. This is a style that I've been working on since my very first tutorial on YouTube. And the one that you see right here is simply an evolution of all those different years. And it was really nice that I got to work on it and use it several times throughout the NFL season. The last two videos contain library tracks that we can use on YouTube. I'm gonna drop the commentary so you can listen to the music and the radio calls.
Houston taking over first place in the AFC South.
Buccaneers head home now, our final home game. Merry Christmas.
This is Saturday, everyone watching.
It's on to the playoffs for the Pats. It's on to Buffalo next week.
And the Bills have to be ready for this.
There's nothing better than controlling your own destiny.
They're going to be feisty next week against the Los Angeles Rams.
49ers need to take care of business.
Is never easy, and that's what's on the line here today.
Dallas Cowboys and the Patriots, two of the best teams in the NFL going at it.
Green Bay against San Francisco.
I can't wait to watch San Francisco play it.
That's going to be great.
We've got Lamar Jackson and the Ravens against the Rams.
Special shout out and thanks to my TNF crew because their help has been instrumental. We bounce ideas off each other, they give me a second pair of eyes, and all of that helps elevate the quality of the final product. I'm gonna put a link to some of their work so you can also check them out.